Straumann SIRIOS portfolio, Simple Scan Workflow. Select Simple Scan for cases where you only need to scan one or both arches. This workflow is useful for all appliance indications such as surgical guides, night guards, and more. Add the patient information. If the patient already exists, simply type his or her name in the search box. Then, select the desired patient. If it's a new patient, click Add Patient to create a new patient profile. Complete all fields and click Save. Select the arch you would like to scan. You can select the upper, the lower, or both arches. Once completed, select Save and close to save the patient information for a later appointment or next if you are ready to scan. Follow the scan sequence displayed on the left. To learn more about each tool available on each screen, refer to the Straumann SIRIOS portfolio Tools and Functionalities video available on YouTube. Once your scan is finished, hit Review to move to the review screen. Review your scans and click Next to move to the export screen. Add a due date and select Straumann Access Lab. Export your case to your laboratory. Reminder: the Simple Scan workflow is useful when you only need to scan one arch. You can also export your case locally to upload the scan into your co-diagnostics software. For more information, refer to the IFU.